This is Coimbatore city. Coimbatore is a city in the Tamil Nadu district of India. Known as the Manchester of South India, Coimbatore is one of the most industrialized districts in a major textile, industrial, commercial, educational, information technology, healthcare and manufacturing hub of Tamil Nadu. What would you love to explore on your trip to Tamil Nadu? Locations that offer you the coziness that you long for? Experience the rich art and heritage of the region? Or travel deep into the innate wonders of the destination? Whatever it is that you wish, Coimbatore offers it all. A bustling urban center, Coimbatore is the second largest city in Tamil Nadu and a center of thriving commerce and business. Coimbatore is home to a large number of textile units, earning it the nickname Manchester of the South. Apart from textile, the city has a number of engineering industries, 2 special economic zones, automobile units, electronics and various other successful manufacturing facilities. Apart from the buzzing present and a promising future, Coimbatore has a rich history too. It was earlier known as Kongunadu and began to be called as Kovai, a name that is in popular usage to this day. The place was once ruled by tribal chieftains known as Koyan or Kovan. Their reign was followed by Karikala Cholan and subsequently a number of dynasties including Rashtrakudas, Chalukyas, Pandyas, Hoyasalas, and the Vijayanagar Empire. For a discerning traveler, Coimbatore has much in offer. Located near to the serene Palghat Gap, Coimbatore is rich in natural beauty bestowed by the mighty Western Ghats. There are many places of worship and other places of interest that a traveler would love to explore. Besides, Coimbatore is located close to many tourism destinations that makes it a strategic stopover. Coimbatore is the second largest city in Tamil Nadu after Chennai in terms of population and the 16th largest urban agglomeration in India as per the census 2011. It is the administrative capital of Coimbatore district and is administered by the Coimbatore Municipal Corporation, which was established in 1981. Coimbatore was ranked the best emerging city in India by India Today in the 2014 annual survey, 4th among Indian cities in investment climate by Confederation of Indian Industry and 17th among the top global outsourcing cities by Tholons. Coimbatore has been selected as one of the Indian cities to be developed as a smart city under the Smart Cities Mission and Amrut by Government of India. Coimbatore regularly features among the top 10 best cities to live in India and is amongst the top 3 safest cities in India according to National Crime Records Bureau report in 2023. Because of its location in the biodiversity hotspot of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the city is rich in fauna and flora. Besides the Coimbatore Municipal Corporation, the Coimbatore urban agglomeration comprises the town panchayats of Vellore, Iragar, Palapalayam, Kanampalayam, Veerapandai, Parayanakanpalayam, Narasimhanayanpalayam, Edakare, Vedapati, Parar, Madukare, Edamata, Thondamathur, Yuliampalayam, Thirumalayampalayam. A major hub for manufacturing, education, and healthcare in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore is among the fastest growing Tier 2 cities in India. It houses more than 25,000 small, medium, and large industries, with the primary industries being engineering and textiles. Coimbatore is the second largest producer of software in the state after China. Tidal Park Coimbatore and other information technology parks in the city has aided in the growth of IT and business process outsourcing industries in the city. The heavy industrialization of the city has also resulted in the growth of trade unions. The city is regularly features among the top 10 best cities to live in India. November 24th, the date of establishment of Coimbatore as a district, is celebrated as Coimbatore Day.